Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bubble. To start, navigate to the Bubble website at bubble.io. Once there, look for the Sign Up button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on Sign Up to begin the account creation process. You can sign up using your email address or your Google account. If you choose email, fill in your details and create a password. After that, you'll receive a verification email if you registered with an email address. Check your email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Bubble website and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Bubble dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the New App button to start a new project. You will be prompted to enter a name for your app. Choose a unique name that reflects the purpose of your app. Next, select a template or start from a blank canvas. If you choose a template, explore the available options to see what fits your needs. After selecting a template or opting for a blank app, click on Create a New App. The app editor will open, providing you with a workspace to start building. On the left side, you will find the design elements you can use, such as text, images, and buttons. Drag and drop the elements onto the canvas to create your layout. You can adjust each element's properties using the property editor on the right. To add functionality to your app, navigate to the Workflow tab at the top. Here, you can create workflows to define how your app responds to user actions. For instance, link buttons to actions, such as navigating to new pages or saving data. Moving to the Data tab, you can define the structure of your app's database. Set up different data types and fields that correspond to the information your app will manage. Ensure that your database structure aligns with your app's functionality. Once you're happy with your design and workflows, it's time to preview your app. Click on the Preview button to launch your app in a new tab. This will allow you to see how your app functions in real time. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.